Hi again, Mrs. Hensley's friends. You will need to get your September journal for this assignment now. You should have written your name on the top and colored your letters neatly in your bear, in your baskets, in your apples, and the frame if you wanted to. So yours should be all colored. Remember, Mrs. Hensley didn't want to waste our time by coloring my September journal, but this is my September journal, okay? So you will need your September journal. You will need a pencil, and you will need crayons, okay? So what we are going to do today, this page should already be done, okay? So you're going to open it up to the very first page in your journal. You see, you make sure it's just the very first page, okay? So, Mrs. Hensley is not writing on a table. I'm actually writing on a clipboard so you guys can see it, okay? So, remember, today is September the 8th, 2020. You can write the date any of the ways that Mrs. Hensley has written on the board. It says the date today is blank. That's where you have to write the date. Is it okay if you go all the way over here to write it? Yes, that is fine. So Mrs. Hensley is going to write 9-8-20. And then I'm going to write it 3 different ways like we always do in the morning. And you can choose which one you want to write on the top of your journal. And if you need an adult to write it out, ask them to please write today's date for you. Or you can just look at Mrs. Hensley's right here. There's a little bit of a glare, I believe. There we go, just like that. So we have 9-8-20, Sept, S-E-P-T, period, 8, comma, 2020, or 2020, September 8th, comma, 2020. So you choose one of those to write up at the top of your journal page, okay? Your first journal page. Don't go to any other page, just your very first journal page. Okay, Mrs. Hensley is going to write 9-8-20. I wrote this one, but you can write whichever one you want to write, okay? This is what my journal looks like because I'm doing it on a clipboard so you guys can see it, okay? So, I've got my date up there. See, 9, let me show you, 9-8-20, okay? You can do it any of these ways, just whichever way you would like to do it. Now, we're going to start writing in this first page of your journal. I do not want an adult to help you. I want you to do this because this is your journal. If an adult helps you, it's not your journal. It's not your work. You do the best that you can. You'll be drawing a picture, and then you'll be labeling that picture. Labeling means you're listening to the sounds that you hear to write those letters. Now, if you can't hear any sounds and you don't know how to write the letters, that's fine. You can do your best. And if you're not sure about the sounds, then you don't have to worry about it, okay? Don't worry about it, okay? Some friends might not have any letters on their page. But if you know how to do that, then I need you to show me you know how. Okay, I don't want your adults helping you because this is your journal. And if they ask you to help you, if they ask, oh, can I help you write that word? Say, oh no, Mrs. Hensley says in my journal, I do my own work because it's my journal. Okay, so tell your parents that. Say, I'm going to listen for the sounds that I hear. Okay? I am going to draw a picture. Mrs. Hensley does not want you to draw what I draw, because you would be copying Mrs. Hensley, and I want what you want to draw, but you're not going to draw what Mrs. Hensley wants to draw, okay? You hear that? Okay. I am going to draw my picture in this box right here, okay? And you can't laugh at my drawing. Mrs. Hensley is not an art teacher, okay? Not an art teacher, so you can't laugh at my drawing. Okay. I'm drawing. What do you think I'm drawing? I'm drawing my kitty cat. There we go. That's Mrs. Hensley's drawing of her kitty cat. And I'm telling you, Mrs. Hensley is not an artist, remember? So you can't laugh at my work. Goofy Mrs. Hensley. Okay, I drew with a pencil, and that's what Mrs. Hensley wants you guys to do. Draw a picture with your pencil. No drawing a cat. No drawing a cat, because you can't copy Mrs. Hensley, okay? I want you to do think of what you want to draw, but not a cat. Okay, now down here on this line, I'm going to listen to the sounds that I hear to write cat, okay? So let's think about that. K, 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 cat. K, k, k. What letter says k? Oh, it could be C, or it could be k, 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 K. But cat starts with the letter C. So I'm going to write down here C. Okay, see that? A. What letter says A? Oh, I know. A for apple. A. K. A. Ka. Ka. Cat. Ooh. Oh, cat. I think that's a T. What do you guys think? You think it's a T? Oh, Mrs. Hensley's gonna write a cat. A T. Cat. I think that's all. I only have one cat, so I can't draw more. I can't put an S on the end to make it cats. It's just one cat. Okay, I've written my letters to spell cat. And now I'm going to color my cat. I've also written my name. Name, draw your picture, spell your word. Remember, no help from an adult, okay? No help from an adult. Mrs. Hensley wants to make her cat black. Okay, so Mrs. Hensley's going to trace. I'm going to show you a good way that will help you stay in the lines. And we're only using crayons to color, nothing else. Okay, so I'm going to trace everything that I want black on my kitty cat, because it will make it much easier to color. Okay, so now that it's there, it's going to be a little bit easier to try to stay in the lines. Okay, so Mrs. Hensley's coloring her kitty cat. Just like that. And I'm taking my time to give it my best work. Okay? Taking my time. So, I'm going to finish coloring my kitty cat while you guys get started on your first page of your journal. Okay? Remember, date at the top, 9-8-20, or SEPT period 8, 2020, or September 8, 2020. Okay? Then draw your picture. Listen to the sounds you hear to try to write the letters that you hear. then color your picture, okay? So that's what you're going to do. Mrs. Hensley's not going to waste your time coloring my picture. I can show you my picture when we do the next page. When you're done with your picture, and you're done with your writing, and you're done with your date, you're done with this entire page, okay? You are going to take your iPad and you are going to take a picture of it. Well, first you have to add response to this activity. Green add response button. Take a picture of your first journal page and put it in this activity, and then after you take your picture and put it on Seesaw, then you just hit the check mark button to turn it in, okay? You guys work on your first journal page. Remember, are you going to get an adult's help? No. You draw your picture. Nobody else draws your picture for you. Even brothers or sisters or aunts or uncles or grandma and grandpas, nobody's helping you with your journal. You're doing it by yourself, okay? And you're listening to the sounds that you hear. And is it okay if you can't hear sounds? Yes, that's fine. Just try your hardest. If you don't know the sounds, that's fine. I understand, okay? Some friends might, some friends may not. Just try, okay? I will, that is all we're doing for today. So I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday evening, and I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye, friends.